Your CounterSketch trial start screen shows 5 tiles, each with their own collection or function. To start with the style quiz, select the Find Your Style tile, then click Take the Quiz. Instruct the customer to select the items that are most appealing to them. This can be a great icebreaker and help narrow down the selection for someone who's not sure where to start. Select Browse these styles, and this will bring you to the showcase screen that has filtered down models that match the primary style from the design quiz. You can control how large the designs appear by using the slider in the top right. The Home button at the top of the screen will bring you back to the CounterSketch start screen. Click the All Ring Designs tile to see the entire library available. And we can now make the icons a little smaller so that we can see more on the screen at once. You can change the display materials of the designs by selecting the Materials column on the left. Select the option that you want to change and the new material you want to change it to. These are instant changes that are applied to the designs on your screen. Across the top of the showcase, you have some options to filter your results. The first setting allows us to change the way that our model is viewed in the results. We can choose from a top, through finger, side, or the perspective view. Some of these are very beneficial to see different detail, but generally it's best to work in the perspective. This gives you the widest range of visibility. Next, we can filter by center stone shape. Select your desired center stone shape and click OK. This will filter down the models to show you designs that are available to be customized with that center stone shape. You also have the ability to filter by center setting, style, and design elements. Click on a design to see the design details. This will show you a larger image of the design and smaller icons on the right. Click on the thumbnails to switch to those views. You will also see across the bottom the center stone shapes available with this model. To open a model from the design detail page, click on the desired center stone shape at the bottom, or click the arrow in the bottom right corner. To rotate your model, right-click and hold while moving your mouse around the screen. You'll use the wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. Hold Shift on your keyboard while right-clicking to pan your model around the screen. On the left-hand side of the screen is your design stack. At the top of your design stack is the design options. This is where you can set the finger size and turn off and on certain features of this design. Below this are sliders and shape choosers. These sliders will let you make adjustments to the center stone heights, shank thickness. Some modifications have shape choosers. These give you a visual representation of the changes. Many rings have a matching band. When this is toggled on, the matching band will appear on your screen. A tab will be created for this band at the top of your design stack. You can make edit and changes to this band just as you would with the engagement. Another feature available while in customize mode is the ability to add freehand parts. In the design tray at the bottom, we're going to hit the plus sign. This opens the freehand library. In this case, I want to add a scroll to the opening of the head. We click on it once to see the details, and click the arrow at the bottom to add it to our model. Once placed in the file, we'll use the gumball to rotate, scale, and place this part in our desired position. When you're ready to order, click Order at the top of your screen. This is where you'll put your customer information. This is also where you'll indicate if you want to purchase your stones or if you want to set them yourself. For this order, I'm going to ask Stellar to set my center stone, and I want to purchase all the accent stones through Stellar. Since we haven't yet placed our order, we can also change our metal still. So here I can change it to be 1 tone completely instead of 2. Now we need to indicate how we want it to be finished. We can choose to do a prototype, finished and set with stones, finished and set without stones, or semi-polished. Next we'll indicate what quality of stones we want to order for the accents. Next you'll want to indicate what kind of hallmark, if any, you want, and any custom engraving. This is also where you can indicate if you would like a resin sample. At the bottom of this, you'll see if there's any issues with your order. In this case, I didn't indicate a value. I'll go back up to the stone that I'm sending in and put a value there, and that'll let me request a quote. Once you click Get Pricing, you're going to need to fill out your sales consultant first and last name and contact information so they can be updated on the progress. You can also add a reference number to help you track your jobs. Now we want to request the quote, and you'll receive a precise quote usually within 1 business day from Stellar via email. To review the status of your order, go to Stellar.com and log in to your Stellar.com account by entering your username and password. Once logged in, look under the Customization tab for CAD/CAM services. Once you're in CAD/CAM services, select the My Projects tab. Within My Projects, scroll down to see your most recent orders. Select the View Details button on the project you want to open. And here you'll find all the information for that particular job. Your progress tracker will show you what step your project is currently at. Your Request Information tab will show you all the information that was submitted through CounterSketch. Your Renders tab will show you updated renders from CAD/CAM services, along with a gem map. Once your job has shipped, you'll be able to view your order and see your invoice for this particular job.